Alright guys, No.8 here, and today I'm coming at you with a really quick update video. I know I haven't made a video in a while, almost a year now. I think the last video I made was actually when I bought my red car, but the reason why I haven't been making videos was because I've been spending that whole time working and saving up money, and I finally moved out of my parents' house in New Hampshire and I moved to Houston, Texas, which is about 2,000 miles or 1,500 miles from there. So I had to drive the car all the way here. I couldn't bring a lot of stuff and I had to buy all my new Inspire stuff all over again. But anyways, I have this Inspire front bumper. This one was a pretty good deal for what it comes with. It has the OEM front lip. It has these intersection lights. This was actually a factory option. It's a very rare one though, but if you don't know what these are, I'll put a clip right now. Basically, if you're coming around a corner and you put the turn signals on, these will light up on either side, whichever side you're using the turn signal. This I brought off of my previous bumper, which I couldn't bring with me due to not having enough space in my car. This is a parking pole. This is basically if you're coming up to a tight space or pulling up to a wall inside of a parking garage, you just press a button and this will pop up and it has a little light on it. So you can see exactly where the front of the car is. That's what I thought was pretty cool. So this bumper will be installed sometime in the future. I also picked up this. This is the Honda Inspire hood. Believe it or not, this was only $194 because I'm right near JD and Plaza Houston. If you're anywhere in the area, I would highly recommend them. They said that Inspire parts don't come very often, but they did have a front bumper last time I was there. I think there's a different place that also has one. But I'll be showing how to adjust the hood latch. I'll also try to do the hood struts because this doesn't have a space for a prop rod that the 4-cylinder Accords have. Then I'll be putting the bumper and the grille and this hood on at the same time eventually, because I need to get them painted. But yeah guys, anyways, this was a really quick update, letting everybody know that yes, I'm still here, yes, I still have the car and I still have plans to make videos. For now, I'm saving money, especially with the pandemic still going on for over a year now. But anyways, I'll put up a quick edit of a car meet that I went to a while back with my friend. But anyways, if you like the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more in the future. Thanks guys.